Okay, now that our volumizer is in position, we're going to go through the motions of the anchoring process. I have my connection VL loaded with my connection points, and I'm going to be placing the opening latch, which is now open. I'm going to place that through the fixing point underneath the edge of the volumizer. Now I'm going to pinch some of the client's hair so it's steady. I'm going to pinch the hair. The latch, I'm going to make sure it closes. I'm going to reach up and grab one of my connection points so it's ready to load. The latch closes. I pull and the client's hair comes through there. Now, the second step of the motions is I'm going to open my latch and go back down through the connection point directly below that pinch and grab additional hair. It comes back through the connection point. The latch is closed, and I slide, and then we have a section of hair. Now I'm going to take the next tool. It's my transformer. I'm going to find my connection point and slide it, holding it 90 degrees from the front. Press and close, and then if you need to, for a while, check and see by pulling to see if your connection point is closed properly so it doesn't slide off. All right, to continue the process with the next repeated motions, I would be installing the second connector also in the center on the other side of the center line. So we have two in front that are the main anchors for the front of the volumizer.